sukham atyantikam yattad. When you are devotee, honestly, it is very difficult to find. Very difficult to find a real devotee. When I met my Guru, immediately I realized he is a real devotee. I have to surrender to him. I told these Goswami boys with me, I said, look, this is the real Guru. We got to get in him. So they said, what are you saying? We got to give exams. I said, yes, we will give exams. That's why I go and talk to him. I talked to him, what is the procedure to join your society? What are the rules? He looked up and down and said like that. And he said, there are no rules. You are studying? I said, yes. So you finish your study, you can come, no problem. There are no rules, he said. Really? No rules? Oh, very good. But amazing. Why I came to him? How I came to him? Because I read Isha Upanishad. Only 2 pages. Only 2 pages. Not necessary to read whole book. Here is the Guru. I got to surrender to him. And I saw him. Here is my Guru. That is it. First visit, my Guru became a disciple of him. Why I cannot become disciple of him in first visit? I did not know he became disciple in first visit. I did not know his history. But later on I found out so many years after, he in first visit became his disciple. That is real devotee. Real devotee don't spend time. When he finds here is Amrita Sagaram, he don't need to wait and ask information from anybody, read a book about the Amrita Sagaram. He just jumps. Amrita Sagaram will never kill. That is the rule. So, Sukham Atyantikam, the topmost happiness you get from devotional life, there is no better than that. Pleasure anywhere can be received. They say, one who is sleeping in an air-conditioned house enjoying more than people living in the jhonpadi. Or those people living in the house, they are saying the king who lives in the palace, he is more happy, he is enjoying better. The king is saying, no. The demigods in the heaven are living very happily. There more happiness there. The demigods are thinking, Indra is living more palatial place. He got so many apsaras and then he's very happy there. Indra is thinking, no, I have only but one head. So Lord Brahma is enjoying. Lord Brahma is thinking, no, I'm not having enough problem. I am having enough problem. My wife is not following me. So Lord Shiva is enjoying more. Lord Shiva says, no, not possible. There is no pleasure in this world. Pleasure in Krishna's service. He is always in dhyana. Wife is there, sons are there. The Nandi is there. He don't care about anybody. That is real devotee. He don't care. So, Sukham Atyantikam Yattad, Buddhi Grahyam Atindriyam, let's not talk about Yam Labdva Chaparam Labham Mannante Nadhikam Tata. After obtaining this platform, the yogi realizes, who is yogi? Yogi is a devotee. Nobody else is yogi. Yogi Nama will come later on. Yogi means a devotee. Yogi does not stand on the head. Yogi don't create mangoes out of apples. Yogi does not fly around everywhere. Yogi does not obtain everything else. That is not good yogi. Yogi is a real yogi who changes somebody's heart and gives him moksha, liberation. That is a real yogi. So he says, Yam labdva chaparam labham manyante nadhikam tataha yasmin stona dukkhena gurunapi vichalyati. Dekha, it's such a pleasure in devotional service. You get up early morning, take your bath cold, you come back here shivering in cold season and chant name of Krishna always. You slip and fell and broke your leg. Even you are so miserable, you never give it up. Ant catches the sugar or bellum. You pull him out, he will crack the head, will not come out. You can turn into 2 pieces, 3 pieces, ant will not leave that. That is the real yogi. Yogi is a devotee who don't give up in any circumstances, going through all tribulation. Like I got a call from my previous secretary. Swamiji, why devotees go through so much of trouble? If there is no trouble in Krishna's service. I said, there is a test of devotee. It's not possible for a devotee to give up devotional service. It's not possible because there is no better happiness. This is the ultimate happiness. That is spiritual platform, devotional life. So much of pleasure. You can do your office work. You can go to home, maintain your family. You can meet your friends, do your business magnets. Every work you can do, play politics. But come back and be devotee. Just 20 minutes a day, 30 minutes a day. Read 20 minutes books. Chant Hare Krishna 20 minutes. Your life is successful. Tam vidya dukkha sanyogam yoga yoga sangitam. All miseries are removed. That is called yoga. Yoga means removes all your miseries. What is the misery? We discussed a few days ago. That is janma mrityu jarabhyada punarjanma. Chakram parivartantante. Chakra is a wheel, endless wheel moving around. We are inside cooking, getting cooked. Chakram parivartante dukkhani sukhani. So-called happiness and misery we are experiencing day and night, every day, life after life, taking birth and living in the womb. So much of problem. Mother is thinking, boy got a headache, but boy is hungry. So she is feeding milk. Not, you put the nipples in the mouth of the baby, he got a headache, but putting the pimples in the mouth by force. Because he cannot speak language. That is your problem. You stop taking another birth, take Krishna consciousness, spiritual life. That is perfection. See?